In the last lesson, we added this nice, beautiful, elegant carousel. In this lesson, I want to show you how to add a different add-on. So we're going to add a custom HTML. So let's just delete this here. Just going to delete that. All right, so let's go back here, click on add, and we're going to put this custom HTML. Now this is where you can pretty much put in your code or whatever that you want to put your HTML. You can put in your CSS, and you have some general stuff here that gives you more. You can control that. So let's say I want to embed something. Okay, I am going to go over to YouTube, and let's say this video right here that I just published, and I want to be able to embed it. So I'm going to click on share, embed, and I'm going to copy. I can show more here, choose the type of layout that I want. So I'm going to pick this here. So I can just copy this, and I'm going to come over here, and I am going to paste it. You can add your custom HTML as like a paragraph. So I'm going to copy and then just paste. So now once I do that, you notice that the background changes, and I'm going to X this out. So here's the video that was just added. So if you have a custom script or something that you want to be able to add on the page, you use that custom HTML, whether it's a CSS or an HTML, you can do that. And as you can see, I just embedded this video straight from YouTube onto the website.